Dolphins range in size from 5 to 7 feet long. Dolphins have become well known for their sociable nature. They're extremely smart and love to play. Dolphins are known to teach, learn, and cooperate. Even though dolphins are not quite as flexible as seals, some dolphins can briefly travel up to 18 miles per hour, or even jump up to 30 feet in the air. Most dolphins like to live in the warm waters of the tropical ocean, but some dolphins actually like colder water. There are a few dolphins, like the South Asian river dolphin and the Amazon river dolphin, that live in freshwater streams and rivers. Dolphins love to eat mainly fish and squid. Dolphins work together to herd the fish and eat them. Dolphins also make sounds using nasal air sacs located just below their blowhole. Dolphins make 3 types of sounds: whistles, burst pulse sounds, and clicks. You can also use dolphin in a sentence like this: the dolphins saw a school of fish and swam excitedly to eat them. Alright, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey